Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to manually install Element's mobile client application on a Windows mobile device. If you're not sure if your device is compatible with mobile client, please contact Element for a list of supported devices. Okay, the one I'm using today will be an HTC Touch2 and I'll be installing mobile client with Touch2 on it. Okay, first you need to make sure that the device you're trying to install has been hard reset and set to factory defaults. Second, make sure that the device has a memory card installed with the correct software on. Okay, so after hard resetting the device and copying the software onto the memory card, we can start installing mobile client. Okay, the first step is to install the Element certificate. Depending on the mobile client version you're trying to install, this is a file called sdkcerts.cab or secoff.cab. This is found in Start, File Explorer, there, and then from here we choose Storage Card and Mobile Client, and in this case I'll choose secoff. Okay. Tap yes on the warning and approve that. After installing the certificate, the next step is to install mobile client. From the current location we're at now, just choose Setup, Bin, and MC Pocket PC Installer. Mobile client installation starts and it should take up to 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now you'll be asked to put in a username or caller ID. I'll just use Touch2 for this. Okay, and of course a password. I will just put in 9876. Okay, now press OK. If everything is set up correctly, it should finish. There we go. Tap OK on the warning. Your device will now restart. When the PDA restarts, mobile client is already installed and will start automatically. Just type in your password, 9876, tap OK and log on. Mobile client is installed correctly. Thanks for watching and happy installing.